The goal of restoration therapy is never to be the big deal in marriage and family therapy. The goal in restoration therapy is to train great therapists. This model helps people become great therapists because people know that their therapist cares for them. They know their therapist hears their story. They know that they belong, and they learn the skills necessary to actually change their lives. This was a real game changer. Fuller talks a lot about integration, but it's hard to tie down exactly what that means from department to department. We were going to make sure that we wanted to build in at least 5 concepts into our students, sort of our Fuller brand of integration and the Department of Marriage and Family. Our students are in small groups with somebody on the faculty all through their tenure with us here at Fuller. And what our branding is that we want students to understand something about humility from not only their own story, but also the story and attention they give to others' narrative. We want them to understand something about the idea of hope, because if they're therapists, they have to be hope givers. We want them to feel compassion toward people and be able to be good lovers of their clients as they come in and they sit and they listen and they help people change. And then how to take care of themselves, how to do that valuing of self through self-care and Sabbath rest. And all that is wrapped up into this missional statement of peacemaking. We're called from Jesus to be peacemakers. I always think of therapy and counseling as just another ministry of the word, just as valid as preaching. And so when we minister the word, we just do it in a different way in therapy. But those objectives of integration come out in our students. One of the key fundamental beliefs that I have is if you're not willing to talk about or deal with your own identity and your own sense of pain in terms of safety, then how do you expect others to be vulnerable when clients come to you to tell you those same stories? It only makes sense when you're right on the edge with them, learning about yourself and trying to make changes in yourself while you're trying to help them make those changes.